Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will be showing you how to insert page numbers in Excel. So in order to insert page number, you will need to go to the View tab, and here you will see an option called Page Layout. Click on that and you will be taken to this view page. So here, if you hover at the top in the add header, you will see several options, several boxes attached together. So it shows, this only means that you can add the page number here at the middle or at the right side of the page. Same goes to the footer, which is at the bottom of the page. You can add it at the left side, in the middle, and on the right side. So I will need to add the pages. So in order to do that, I will need to click on the box and it will open a new tab, which is header and footer. So here I will need to click on this page number. So you will see that it doesn't enter the page number for me. This is because I have not entered anything in my sheet. So if I type anything here like that, and then click anywhere else, then it will show you the number of page. So if I want to add the page number out of the number of total pages, then I will go there again and press the space bar, then go to the header and footer tab again and click on this number of pages. Now I will click on enter. Here type off and I will do something like that. So if I add something in the other sheet here, then it will show me that it is the one of 2 pages, and here it will show me 2 of 2 pages. So this is one method to add page in the Microsoft Excel pager. Let me just go ahead and delete that. So same goes for the header. Just click on it and go to header and footer. Click on page number, then a number of pages. That's all you need to do. So you need to go to the normal viewing point, and now the next method is to go to page layout and click on this little arrow at the bottom right of this page setup ribbon. It will open a dialog box, and here you will need to go to header and footer. So if you need to add page number in the header, just go on and click on this drop down arrow here, and now just select the option you want to be displayed. If you want it to be page number of something, then just click on it and click on OK. Now go to view, and if you see that you have the setting changed here, just like that. I type something here, and yes, there you go. These are 2 methods to add page number in your Excel sheet. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.